Here comes a backup move here at the LMS yard in Lachine. I'm on Fairway Street, and it's about 1 o'clock p.m. on the 5th of July 2022. Let's see how far this goes back. Let's see if we get the locomotives on the front. This is a fairly long cut of cars. Now there, as you can see, there's a trailer pickups there. There's a warehouse that's no longer served by rail, I think. Let's see how much of this train gets pushed back. There's the cars getting pushed back into the LMS. And of course, truck traffic on this very narrow bridge. Is that the locomotives? Yeah. There's the locomotives, no? There's the locomotives. It's a GP20CECO and a GP38-2. Here in Lachine, switching the LMS. I'm not sure if these locomotives are in captive service to this place, or if they also do the local freight that goes to Bay Durfee with the tankers. They do. Lots of traffic on the bridge now. I won't be able to get over there, I don't think. No. Too much traffic. And there you can see the locomotives pushing its train through onto that track there in the back. I don't recall ever getting so lucky with seeing the locomotives in the shots. Last time I was here, I think it was mostly broken shots of the intermodal cars. But this is great. You can see the locomotive shunting them too. It looks like it's going to stop there, eh? Okay, that's cool. So maybe we can get another video out of this. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal.